Welcome to Metrology lecture series. In the present video, we will discuss the gate previous problem on angle measurement by rollers. Let's see the problem. For the situation shown in the figure below, the expression for capital H in terms of small r, capital R and capital D is. So here given the rollers arrangement, then we have to determine the capital H value in the terms of small r, capital R and the capital D. Let's see the solution. Let's consider O1 is the center for the smaller roller and small r is the radius for the smaller roller. Similarly, O2 is the center for the bigger roller and capital R is the radius for the bigger roller. So then they join the centers O1 and O2 by the line. Next we have to draw a horizontal line from the O2. Similarly draw a vertical line from the O1. So these two lines will be intersect at a point capital A. Now O1A O2 is the right angle triangle. And this is the small r and this is the capital R. So now we can be written as capital H equal to the small r plus O1A plus capital R. So this can be written as capital H equal to capital R plus small r plus O1A. So now we have to determine the O1A value. So here O1A O2 is the right angle triangle. Then O1A square equal to the O1 O2 square minus O2A square. So this can be written as O1A equal to the root of O1 O2 square minus O2A square. So now we have to determine the O2A value. So here, so this is value is the capital R and this is the small r. Then O2A equal to the capital D minus of small r minus capital R. Then this can be written as O2A equal to the capital D minus of capital R plus small r. And O1 O2 is the capital R plus small r. Then substitute the O1 O2 values as well as the O2A values. Then O1A equal to the capital R plus small r whole square minus D minus R plus R whole square. So this is will become the O1A equal to the R plus R whole square. So minus of, so this is we can be expand. So let's consider this is the A and this is the B. So now this is the A minus B whole square. So that is the, so A square which is the D square plus B square that is the R plus R whole square minus 2AB which means minus 2D into R plus R. So this can be written as O1A equal to the square root of R plus R whole square minus D square minus R plus R whole square. So minus into minus it will become the plus 2D into capital R plus small r. So here, so plus R plus R whole square and minus R plus R whole square will be cancelled. Then O1A will become the 2D into capital R plus small r minus D square. So this value substitute in the H value. Then H equal to the capital R plus small r plus 2D into R plus R minus D square. So here capital H equal to the R plus square root of 2D into R plus R minus D square. So observe the options. So here suitable option is the option D. So option D is given capital H equal to the R plus square root of 2D into capital R plus small r minus d square. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you.